Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so excited to be bringing to you a graduation DIY. I have received so many requests from you guys asking me if I have any ideas for upcoming parties for graduations. Some of you have sons and daughters and friends and relatives that are graduating from high school, and you are on the hunt for graduation party ideas. So I am going to bring you my first DIY of the graduation season, and that is this 3D glittered graduation year letters or numbers. They're not letters, they're numbers. And I purchased these at Hobby Lobby. I first spray painted them silver, and now I am coating them with some Mod Podge. You can actually find some Mod Podge at the Dollar Tree. Now I have the bigger bottle because I use it a lot, but if you don't plan on using it a lot, definitely stop by the Dollar Tree to pick up some Mod Podge for this project. And I'm just going to sprinkle some glitter on top of the Mod Podge after I have kind of lightly covered that zero. So I purchased a 2018 and it was 30% off at Hobby Lobby. If it's the unfinished wood is not on sale this week, what you do is just take 4 people with you and each one of you use the 40% off coupon, or you can make several trips to the store throughout the week depending on how close it may be to your home. Now I have sprinkled the glitter on the zero, and then I shook off the excess glitter, and oh my goodness, it looks so amazing. Now once I allow the numbers to dry, I'm going to go back on top of it with a sealer, and so that I won't lose the glitter. So here is the finished results. I absolutely love this. Trevor was nominated as the Student of the Year for our area and several counties and schools. I think it's over 30 or 40 something schools that are represented, and it is such an honor for him to have been nominated. And one of the things that they have to do is each student has to decorate their table in the theme using their school colors, and then the decor can be based on extracurricular activities or sports or something that they enjoy doing, or maybe what they want to be when they complete college. And Trevor wants to be a plastic surgeon. And so the theme for our table was, it was a medical theme. And so I took some little boards from Hobby Lobby. I think I got maybe 12 in a pack for $4.99. And then I had an extra 40% off. And I created these clipboards and I painted them silver using the same spray paint that I used on the numbers. And I created them. I also used the little clips that you see there. They are magnetic clips from the Dollar Tree. I think there were 4 in a pack for $1. And so I used them to make name plates for each guest, and I actually made it look like a patient information form. And I will show you guys a little bit of that a little bit later. But for each of the guests, we also had these little cable bags that looked like medical bags. And on the inside of the bags, we had treats. And it was so well received by all of the guests. Everyone absolutely loved our table theme and how well it reflected his personality. So let's look on the inside of the box. On the outside, it says Trevor's solution for senioritis, because he is a senior this year. So we had like the mask and the gloves, and then we had snacks, candy, water. We had this little pillbox looking apparatus that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and then I also filled it up with little Ike and Mike's, or Mike and Ike's little candies that look like the long peels. And so we put those on the inside of each one of the boxes, along with some powdered drink mix for the water. Now here is the patient information chart. I'm going to share with you guys mine. I had all of the different symptoms where you can kind of check all that apply. And so Trevor went through and checked all of the characteristics that he loved about each of us, and then the diagnosis was written underneath that, and he actually signed it. And so we looked for our name, and our name, name card was actually the medical chart. Now, one thing about it, I made the paper a little bit long, so I had to make sure that it was underneath the clip just right so that it could stand properly. And it absolutely looked gorgeous, and I just love that we were able to do that DIY for such a inexpensive price. I also was able to purchase a little medical or scientific looking tubes. I purchased those at the Dollar Tree, along with the plastic terrarium jars that are hanging. I got those at the Dollar Tree as well. And so yeah, it all turned out so amazing. The DIY for the number turned out absolutely amazing. We kept the flower, you know, pretty simple, but it looked, you know, very manly and like something you would see if you went into a doctor's office. Now, I wanted to also share with you guys some of the other tables that I thought were really good. This one was from Shoals Christian School, and this young lady loved to travel the world and do mission work, and I absolutely loved her theme with all of the globes and the flowers and the huge chalkboard. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. And the little placemats that she used with the world on it, and it said "The world awaits." I just thought that was so super cute and super creative, and it definitely matched her personality. I also, this basketball table theme caught my eye. So if you guys have any athletes in the family that are graduating, I absolutely love the placemats that you see here. Oh my goodness, so absolutely amazing. And they also incorporated his jersey, so I thought that was so thoughtful. And so our table turned out absolutely amazing. I loved the way that everything worked together for him, so that, you know, it gave the table a little bit more of a glimpse of his personality and all the wonderful things that he has accomplished. Now I'm going to show you guys some footage of us at the banquet. We did take some time to say hello to you guys, and I will be back and share the outcome with you all. All right, guys, say hi to Trevor. We're at the banquet, having fun. So come back later, let you guys know the outcome. I'm whispering because you can't. So we are so proud to announce that Trevor was named the 2018 Student of the Year. It is such an amazing honor. I am so proud of him. We have been in his life since he was around 6 or 7 years old, and we knew that this young man was going to do awesome things. And so I am so super proud of him. He did get a 4-year scholarship. Everything is paid for. It is such a blessing for him and his family, and my husband and I could not be more proud of him. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed all of the small tips and the DIY that I've shared with you for planning your graduation event, whether you're doing it at your home or away from your home. I hope you guys got some tips and inspiration in this video. I do have another video that will be coming up very soon that will share with you how to put together a dessert table from beginning to end. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.